All right, good morning, people. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy Thursday, everyone. Welcome back, people. Welcome back. Oh, look at that. Some green. I don't know. What color do we want on this side? Happy Thursday, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Big drop on gold yesterday again. Big drop on gold yesterday. Let's get the community guys in here. Oh, what have I just done? All right, let me get everyone in here. Good morning, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Volume's a little soft. Yeah, it definitely is. The YouTube chat was working 2 seconds ago, now it's gone. What the hell? There we go. All right. Hey everyone, welcome back. Let me just close this for a second. Let me fix this back up here. Why can I not get trading view at OBS now? What's going on here? Literally was working 2 seconds ago, now all of a sudden it is not working. Sorry guys, give me 2 seconds. I just need to not working.
One of those dodgy cookies catching you up.
I know, man. Why is this not working? That's really annoying. Okay, there we go, we're back. Alright, we're back. There we go. There we go, there we go. Let's have a look, see what we got for the day. Okay, man. Let me start.
Recording in progress.
Start the recording here. Yeah, you're working again. Yeah, cool, cool. So we've seen yesterday, gold had another beautiful sell-off. You came up, you grabbed the highs, you had this huge sell-off. Came up, grabbed the highs, huge sell-off. We've been literally following the exact same principle every single day this week. This is what we spoke about in the Asian session. It was pretty tough when you were trading all the way down here. You've already had a huge push. So all we said for price to come up, hold this area, and then to continue pushing down. And, you know, flip this hourly. Asia pushed down about 130 plus ticks. So some huge opportunities so far this week on gold. You know, just bottoming out, grabbing highs and continuing to push. And pulling back, grabbing highs, continuing to push, grabbing highs, pushing lower. But right now on gold, it's pretty tough because you're back down at major daily support, and I'm not going to be selling gold down here. So not too sure what we're really going to be able to do today. The sells have been every single day and every single session this week, but now we're coming right into this daily support and back down into 25.50. It's a pretty tough level. It's definitely not a level that I want to be short at unless we start getting, the levels that we saw in Asia where you come back up, have these huge wicks and then drives. Otherwise, yeah, unfortunately, there's nothing to really say down here on gold. You're probably going to start to find some support. You could create a bit of a range and you can start to pull back. Copper. Again, copper just continuing to push down as well. Copper is also coming into some major levels, so I will not be selling copper either. So, yeah, we'll just watch it for a little bit today, guys, and I don't think anything's really going to happen here. I'm not going to be selling gold at major daily support, and I'm also not going to be buying gold after how bearish it's been the past few days. If we want to be selling gold, very simply, like we've been selling gold all week, we sell gold from here. We will sell gold from here, and we sell gold from here. Not at any point do we start selling gold here. So this is all we can really look for, especially once you grab these highs yesterday. We dropped another 570 ticks, which is absolutely insane. So from market open on Monday to where we are now, gold's dropped 1,300 ticks, which is absolutely insane. There's been some incredible shorts on gold in every single session. Every single session this week, doesn't matter what session you trade, there has been huge opportunities. You'll sell off in Asia in London. Sell off on Asia on Tuesday. Sell off on Monday in London. And sell off yesterday in New York, and a sell off on Tuesday in New York as well. But yeah, right now, there's not really a lot we can really do. So we'll have to look at some other things. Because like I say, I'm not going to be selling gold down here. And I'm obviously not going to be buying gold. Gold's, like I say, been on a 1,300 tick push down this week, which we've absolutely taken advantage of. So there's no need to all of a sudden start jumping in longs for no reason just because you missed the obvious trades down. Kept selling gold and getting stopped out. Just make sure you're not this liquidity, man. If anyone who was selling gold here, if their stops above that high, and you grab the highs, you have the beautiful push down. That's what gold always does. It's what we've been speaking about all week on gold. You guys on YouTube, we spoke about these highs to come up and re-grab in the London session when we were trading around here. And you came up, you grabbed the highs. Some of the guys in the community took the buys up into that for about 50 plus tick, secured the profits, and then boom, you had this huge push down off the back of CPI as well. News-wise today, I don't think we really have anything. Let me have a look. Maybe unemployment claims. You got core PPI unemployment claims around 1:30 London time, which could be interesting to see if you're going to start to find some support. But look at this weekly. Like I say, this is on our Asia market call this morning. It's probably one of the most bearish weeks we've seen on gold for the entire year, which has been amazing. It's been very simple to trade. Very simple to trade. Literally hundreds and hundreds of ticks. Hundreds of ticks on the card this week on gold. It's been amazing. Absolutely huge. Absolutely huge. Taking a look at copper as well. I haven't touched copper all week really. Didn't really grab as much as gold did. It's just kind of been straight pushing down. It's just been on a aggressive push. This is only kind of the real liquidity grab you only really had on Monday at market open, which I wouldn't short then anyway. And it's kind of just been non-stop on copper. Non-stop huge push down. We spoke about these highs on Nasdaq. When was this? Yesterday, I believe, to come up, re-grab the highs. You came up, grabbed the highs, have a nice little dip down here as well. Oil, yeah, we can have a look at oil, man, definitely. Let's have a look. What was a pretty big support. Yeah, it's a pretty decent grab there over these lows, closing bullish. Got like 1, 2, 3 daily equal highs. Yep, I can definitely see it, man. Hey, Aaron. Hey, man. What's going on? Where is the YouTube? Let me just make sure this is working, guys. Sorry, 2 seconds. Yeah, cool. Yeah, oil could definitely be finding some support. Oil's I don't know, a huge fan of oil. The price action is pretty messy sometimes. But yeah, that's a huge push down, then a massive rip back up. Then did also close straight back bearish again. But yeah, you do have some pretty nice levels on oil to come back for a pullback, even back up into $70. Could be pretty nice. Could be pretty nice. Anything else you guys are looking at, feel free to send it over. Very unlikely to get any gold trades here today. Just going to be waiting until we see how we react around 25.50. And I will not be chasing these sells or trying to trade against this move down. So gold, to be honest, in London, you're not going to get any trades for the next like 3-4 hours at least. There'd be no reason to see, you pull back, grab liquidity like this in the next couple of hours. So we'll use this time. We'll stay on for ages just to see if you guys do have anything else you do want to run over. But given how amazing gold has been, this is not going to be the day to all of a sudden start trying to chase sells. There's been way easier opportunities to short gold this week, every single day. What's the wisdom today, Sir Aaron? Wisdom today. I don't have any wisdom today, man. If you guys ask me some questions, I'll have some wisdom. I can share some wisdom or whatever topic you need help on.
Yeah.
What have you got? What have you got for me?
The app.
Which one?
I'm struggling to purchase. Telling me I have to go to Amazon.co.uk, and it doesn't give me an option to purchase the Kindle edition book. Have you any wisdom on this?
I actually, unfortunately, do not. I haven't used it in a in a very, very long time. I'll hit the ban button for you. Don't worry, man. I got you. Do I trade forex now? I don't trade forex anymore. But if you have some instruments that you want me to take a look at, feel free to send them over. Yeah, I traded CPI yesterday, man. Yep, we had some great trades on CPI yesterday. We had the buys up into the highs of the community. It was very, very nice. Here, buys up here. It got about 30 of it. What did it hit? Just cut it off there. How did that work? I think it hit about 50 or something. Maybe about 80. Yeah, around here. Yeah, already had that huge, like 370 tick push. These moves on gold have been insane. Insane.
It's good though because it's gonna have a bigger run.
A decent pullback, yeah. Took the same trade for 40 pips. Yeah, nice, man. Good work. 40 is beautiful. It's a really, really nice trade. Yeah, even from all the way. I took a 50 tick top step scalp yesterday as well. When you came down, grabbed the lows, held the support, took bias here, took this little play up. So we spoke about in the London session for price to come down, grab the lows, and then come all the way back for these highs here. And that's exactly what we did. Came down, grabbed the lows, had a 120 tick pullback, and then an absolutely ridiculous sell-off. Just been a gold when it's trending, and you look at these very simple little ranges, liquidity grabs and breakouts. It's so simple and it's so beautiful. It's happened so many times this week. Even this one here was a grab of these highs and a really nice sell-off. The reason it's so nice is because, you know, people who try and short these moves early put their stop loss just above, they get stopped out, the real move happens. People shorted here yesterday on gold, where's their stop loss? Just above, they get stopped out, the real move happens. Exactly the same here. They sell here, they put their stop loss just above, they get stopped out, boom. Massive move. And this was the little pullback we spoke about in Asia today to come up. Grab these little highs here, and then just continue pushing down. And that's pretty much what we've done. Not to be a downer, but when would you say that trading is not for you? Like, when should someone quit, in your opinion? I mean, just quit if you just don't enjoy it. Like, that never really came into... I mean, once I've been trading for like over a year, it never really came into my head like, oh, I don't think trading is for me, I think I should quit. So if you're already having them thoughts and you don't think it's for you, like, you know, that's also okay. Trading is absolutely not for everyone. Trading requires a certain type of characteristics that some people either just have or they don't. But, you know, I do believe with the right hard work and dedication, you know, anyone can become a good trader. It would just take some people a lot longer than others, you know, and that's also fine. But if you're just generally just not enjoying it now, you know, trading on challenge accounts, combines, not even trading like live money yet, that's probably a good sign to be like, okay, cool, this probably isn't for me. Because the more you progress, the bigger losses you're going to have inevitably, and if you can't really handle that now, then yeah, it's absolutely not for everyone. Yeah, me neither. Yeah, I couldn't ever picture a time when I'm not trading, whether it be, you know, long-term market investing. But if you've been grinding for a couple of years, like, don't just let that. The amount of people who like trade for like 2-3 years, give up, and then just have loads of trading knowledge just gone to waste is like, it's crazy.
Is he also having this emotional question while having a losing streak?
It's possible, man.
When he's been cheap.
It's possible.
You know, if it's having this emotional question on top of your head while you're in the losing streak,
Yep.
I think that's normal.
100%, man. I agree.
If you're having those thoughts when you're winning, then yeah, just definitely trade in.
Yeah. I mean, I even for me, like when I would have losing weeks, you know, you end the Friday like, oh fuck me, that was such a hard week. By Monday, I'm like, fuck, I'm ready to go again. I can't wait for the markets to go again. It doesn't matter how much I've lost last week. I would always take it as a learning week, and I'd still be on the charts first thing on Monday, like ready and so keen to go. But if you don't love it, nah, don't do it. If you don't love anything, don't do it. If you want to just be a trader just for the money, don't do it. But I promise you, if you want to do trading just to make money, don't do it. Well, I've got some wisdom for you today, man. When the trade isn't going your direction, when should you get out? Keep learning proper accounts. For me, man, I exit trades based off them closing against me. For example, you know, I have hard stops in, but for me personally, my exits are way before that. For example, the 100 tick trade that I took on Tuesday, shorted somewhere around here, and my hard stop loss was above here. And my real exit, you know, even though my hard stop's there, my real exit is as if price is to close back above this level, because I'm short in the fact that we've grabbed these highs, we've broken below this level. Therefore, I want to see this level respected in order for me to hold this trade. So, although my hard stop's here, well, what is it? What's this? Well, although my hard stop's there, the second the candle was to close like back above this level, that's my exit, because the trade has become invalid. Cool, get out the trade. And most of the time you do know when you should be getting out of the trade. You just end up holding it purely off emotions. So I close my trades and manage my risk, which you guys see me do every day, based off the candle closing against me. I want to see it actually close against me in order for me to make a decision as to whether I need to hold that trade or not. So you want to be looking to get out of your losing trades as soon as it goes against you, as in closes against you, depending on how you're trading. But if you're trading like how I'm trading, liquidity grabs and breakouts, well, after these liquidity grabs, 90% of the time the best liquidity trades are where you grab the highs and you have that big drive. If you grab the highs and you don't drive and you start to stall, I'm like, okay, cool, that's not typically how my best liquidity trades go. Therefore, I'll manage my risk based off if you start to close back above a level. Same as, buying gold yesterday up into these liquidity levels up here. Even if you shorted this, say if you shorted this yesterday, it's probably an easier example. Say if you shorted this yesterday, once you grabbed the highs, held the resistance, say you took sells here, your hard stop is above here. Your actual stop loss is if you close back above this resistance. You close back above that resistance, cool, I don't want to be in the trade, cut the trade and wait. If it recloses back below and it's like a fake out, that's fine. Give the trade a second chance. But yeah, for me, I will close my trades when they are closing against me, when they're not pushing as I had anticipated, which, most of the time you can actually tell when the trade's going against you and you should be getting out, but you always end up holding it and then you take like a full stop loss or you take a big stop loss, you're like, fuck, I knew I should have got out that trade. So whenever you get that inkling of like, yeah, I don't think this is how my best trades play out, just exit and wait. Exit and wait. Yeah, there's no emotions as to whether you should hold a trade or get out of a trade. I will cut a losing trade as soon as it starts to close against me. And there will be them times where, like let's say, and then that's just trading. Like there'll be times where, let's say, if for whatever reason you decided to short here, your hard stop was here, whatever, and you decided to close the trade once the candle closed back above here. So you're like, cool, I'll get out there. And then there will be times, where it recloses back below and confirms a fake out. That's just trading. You have to accept that, but just be willing to give it a second chance. If ever them fake out happens, if ever them fake outs do happen, that's fine. You react to them once they do reclose back below. But you never want to not get out of a trade because you're like, oh, I think this might be a fake out and I think the next candle is going to close back below. It doesn't matter what we think. You've closed above, cool, get out your trade. If it recloses back below, fantastic. Give it another chance and you'll make back your small loss and some very quick. You want to be keeping them losses small. A lot of people, talk about keeping losses small, but they think that's, let me just risk 1% per trade every single trade, and that's always what my stop loss is going to be. No, keeping your losses small is getting out of your trades quicker than letting them hit full stops. So get comfortable with having hard stops, but also have mental stop loss and know where your real exits are in a trade. Your hard stop's there to keep you safe, but you have levels where you want to actually manage your trades before that. Advice on how to backtest? I wouldn't backtest. I would do a simulation software. Do a simulation software. There's plenty out there. They're much better than backtest. Like backtesting on TradingView, I think it's awful. It doesn't play the candles in real time. It's laggy. I would do some simulation sessions instead. Like I say, there's plenty of good softwares out there as well. How do I trade traps? I'm not too sure what you mean, man. I trade liquidity grabs like these. I've just had that hourly closure on gold. Let's see. Still closing bearish. Trying to find some support, but like I say, I'm not going to be buying gold today. Even if gold was to have a 500 tick pullback today, I won't be in that. I'll be in it tomorrow. I won't be in it today. Do we have any news on Friday? Core retail sales.
Good news. I'm figured out. I bought a new car.
Good man. Which one did you get?
Golf Tap.
Nice.
That's the actual name of the book.
Nice.
They help with psychology and emotions. So it's going to help me in trading as well.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Good idea. Good shout, man.
And Amazon.
It's crazy how alike they both are.
Yeah. Yeah, it's funny enough, I was speaking about emotions and thought processes to a young kid in the driving range last night.
Oh yeah.
He was getting so frustrated. And, like, I was like, I feel you, brother. But, yeah, we actually spoke about trading and stuff.
Nice.
Yeah, it's just they're so like.
Did you get him in the community or not? That's all I'm interested in.
Yeah, I've never followed them.
I'm joking.
Aaron's toddler sends a phone in his head.
Yeah, how much do I owe you, man? How much commission do I owe you?
He sends him the link 6 times, so I don't know.
Oh, look at that decent spike on XRP as well. I can't believe Bitcoin smashing 90,000.
Did you hear about that American footballer in 2019? He had a professional contract and he asked for half his wages to be paid in Bitcoin.
Really?
So half the wages was like 6.5 million. But that 6.5 million is now worth 22 million.
Jesus. That's insane.
This market, well, it was a big gamble.
Yeah, back in them days, yeah.
Gambling 6.5 million.
Oh, that's insane.
I'm telling you, it's that.
Yeah, that's crazy. Copper's still dropping here. No top wick in this current hourly on copper. If this is going to be a grab of the lows or not. Give me 2 seconds, guys. Where are we? Where are we? Let's have a look. What's Goldie up to? Not really too much. Not really too much to say on Goldie here, guys. We're just kind of creeping down a little bit. Not really any more targets to go short. No more real liquidity grabs to take the pullbacks into it just yet. I'm just swap this apartment. That's insane. For 55k Nvidia stock, that's ridiculous, man. That's insane. I don't know what a trap is. I mean, because there's everything in the market's called something different to every other person these days. If it's literally exactly what I've just said here, well then it's probably the same thing. What do you call it? No, I've never heard it be called trap ever, no. What do you call it? A trap? Sell side, buy side liquidity, blah blah blah. Same shit. It's just what gold does it's just liquidity grabs. What gold does every single time before a push down. Literally what I have drawn on my charts right here. No selling NQ. You're having a little dip down, but you're also coming in some pretty big support. I don't really know how it moves in London. I don't know if this has been grabbed on the S&P. If it has, I wouldn't be interested in that. No, it hasn't, which is quite nice. So you do have some liquidity down there on Nasdaq, down here. But again, you know, if I wanted to be selling Nasdaq, you know, it's like, yeah, it's up here. I wouldn't really want to get stuck in shorts in this big area. It's it's a pretty big level. You had a really nice 4-hour fake out though. Broke above, grab lows, broke above, aggressively closed back below. Asia had a nice little pullback. But yeah, like I say, anything else anyone else is looking at, feel free to let me know. Gold's not going to have anything. I'm not going to watch this for too much longer. There's no point. So anything you guys do have, feel free to send it over. Otherwise, it's going to be a shorter stream than normal today. After the week we've had, there's no point. There's no point watching gold just range. There's no targets. No targets. No pullbacks for shorts. And like I say, I'm not going to be buying gold down here. No, it doesn't look like you guys on Zoom have anything. So, yeah, Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. There's no point watching this. Like I say, we've pushed down. We need some decent pullbacks over the next 2-3 plus hours. So personally, gonna leave London, let it do its thing. I'm gonna say we've had almost a 1,500 tick push down this week, which we've been speaking about. So for now, yep, let London do its thing. You guys on Zoom, I'll speak to you guys in the next like 2-3 hours once we get a little bit more price action. See you, man. Talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Cheers, guys. All right, YouTube, guys, I'm going to wrap up a little bit earlier here. I got more important things to be doing than watching gold just creeping down. We've had some fantastic trades so far this week. And right now, yeah, gold's just creeping down, coming into 25.50. No pullbacks to want to sell it down here, and I won't be buying gold just yet, so we may as well leave it, let it do its thing, work on some other things, and I will talk to you guys same time again tomorrow. Trade safe, don't force it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace. No balloons today either. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye. Bye.